Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix Snapchat something one please try again later sport code C14a, which means if you are having this kind of error, then how you can fix that. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close this page, and after that what you have to do next is you have to simply press and hold your Snapchat app, and after that you have to simply click on app info. The first thing you have to do, if you are using Android device, you have to simply force stop the app, and if you are using iPhone or iOS device, you have to simply go to iPhone storage and offload the app. And here you have to simply, if you are using Android device, you have to simply clear the cache of your app. After that, what you have to do next is you have to simply close that, and here you have to simply open the Play Store here, and you have to simply search for Snapchat, and you have to check whether it is showing any kind of update or not. If it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update your Snapchat account, because many bugs and errors are fixed by the latest version of this Snapchat. In this way you can simply automatically solve this problem. But there is also another trick which also works for more, which means you can get this kind of error when you log in your account of Snapchat in more than one device at a time, which means if you log in your account on one device and another device, then you can simply find this kind of error when you try to log in your account on the second device. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply log out your Snapchat account from one device, and you have to simply use your Snapchat account once at a time, and this kind of error will not occur on your Snapchat account. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.